Roger.
Okay, good job.
Bangor ground, citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with the aviation services with the clearance ready taxi.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Bangor ground, runway 33, taxi via Alpha, and verify you have information Bravo.
I have information Bravo and 33 via Alpha 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
That's easy for you to say. Clear over here.
Passenger safety lights. Hotel Bravo is clear to Lima Bravo Echo via the Bangor 3 departure, then asphalt, climb, maintain 10,000, squawk 1306.
Citation 0 Hotel Bravo, reback is correct, and did you say you're ready taxi?
Negative, we just want to get our clearance, we're going to put our flight plan in, we'll be ready soon. We'll give you a call.
Roger.
Okay, good job.
Yeah. Hey.
Good.
Ground Mobile 26 plus 1 would like to clear us north on Alpha from the midpoint RVR road.
Mobile 26 plus 1, Bangor ground, proceed north on Alpha.
Battery on. Parking brake, I'm going to set it. It is set.
Yeah.
Wheel chock's been removed, right?
Yes, sir.
Then look at that. Seat belts, rudder pedals. Just
Yeah, you are cutting in and out. You're cutting out and over here, too.
Am I?
Yeah.
Ground 26, I missed that. I had the radio turned down.
Mobile 26 plus 1, Bangor ground, proceed north on Alpha.
26, thank you. Sorry about that.
No worries.
Shit.
What should
Everything's connected.
Okay.
And just to check, you're not protecting the ILS critical area at the north end.
Where were we?
Mobile 26, Roger.
Now that you're... This one?
Hey, lights are on, ECAS. Okay, I'm ready to start one.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
You're clearing the right?
We are clear on the right.
The same spot.
Almost exactly, yeah.
On rest, copied, standing by with Jet 916.
Okay. Heavy.
Good.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll start the other engine. We'll start the air conditioner. Ready?
Perfect.
Yeah, we're about at 100. Okay, it's below, that's fine.
And VistaJet 9016, not showing a flight plan for you stored in the system at this time.
Just to make clear, you don't have the flight plan in your system?
VistaJet 9016, that is affirmative. I do not show a flight plan stored at this time.
Okay, I will contact our operations.
Okay. Climate control on. Yes. There we go. All right, let's go. Trim 1, 2, and 3.
Good.
Good. All right. Flight controls.
Good.
Free and correct.
Good.
Speed brakes, ground spoilers. We'll check that.
I got that.
Minor extended. Flaps, I want to check set.
Good.
Hydraulic pressure is good. Internally, engine buttons. Okay. All right, we're going to go to flight plan here and put it in. All right.
Yeah, I think I got put it in there for you. I think it's... Yeah.
pick them up. Okay, there, all right. Now, departure, hangar 3, runway 33. Okay. Then flight plan.
And I think I got it all in there for you.
You did, huh?
Yeah, I think.
When did you do that?
Just now, yeah.
Oh, just now?
Yep.
Okay.
I say Albany.
We had this last time.
Yep.
And we're going to go to, what, flight level 4? 10,000, right?
Yeah, 10,000, but it's not, this is the only place you can do that.
I can't put that in there? On the database, you're correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Albany. Okay. So when I got a discontinuity like that,
yeah,
it's radar vectors,
right?
Then so I'll go direct.
Right.
Okay, so we're okay then.
Yep.
All right. So what I'm going to do here,
it has a 600-foot altitude in there, which doesn't show up on the chart, and I don't know what it is, but it's supposed to be 600 feet before you make the turn, and that's why it's in there.
All right. Okay. Well, let's just go to the chart and see here. There it is. All right, and it says transition level 180. Okay, runway 33, climb heading 330 degrees, set by ATC, top altitude 10,000.
Yep.
That's what he gave us.
Yep.
Runway heading, and then I'll just get radar vectors.
That makes sense.
Okay, you got it in there already.
Yep.
Hey, weight limits confirmed, check, Avionics. Okay, we got a good perfect altimeter 3004. We got 1, 2, 3, I want to say 4 people.
Yeah.
In cargo, I want to say we got...
you got the 4 there, you got to take that out.
Yeah.
I hate when it does that.
That's all right.
It should know
what my fault.
It should know what you're thinking.
No, it doesn't. Should.
Copies is
250 pounds.
And I just contact our operations. They are filing the flight plan from here to Sacramento these minutes.
Wow.
VistaJet 916, Roger, and I'll keep trying and let you know when I receive it.
Thank you, VistaJet 916.
I want to say dry.
Yeah, it's not reflective, so you're good there.
Okay. Is that right? 92, 97?
Sounds pretty low. Yeah, I guess not. Yeah, I guess it does sound this. It's right over the edge.
Okay, Avionics, let's see here. Okay, 9, tires 120.7, 118, 95.925. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Squawk is 1306. It looks like we got it.
I think that's it.
Autopilot.
Autopilot.
At that altimeter is 3006 on your altimeter.
3006 set over here and over there. 1, 2, and 3.
And we got like about 175.
Yep, sounds close. 170 and 1190 there. We're good.
Pressurization check 1190. ECAS is clear. I'd have to do the backward exterior brake sights. Okay,
cool.
We're ready to taxi.
Bangor Ground, Citation November 80 Hotel Bravo with the aviation services with the clearance ready taxi.
Citation 80 Hotel Bravo, Bangor Ground, runway 33, taxi via Alpha, and verify you have information Bravo.
I have information Bravo and 33 via Alpha, 80 Hotel Bravo, Roger.
It's easy for you to say. Clear over here.
Passenger safety lights.